Wow.
Anyway,
Oh, no, so.
alright.
Just
See,
follow
I
the
get
book.
picture,
We
yeah?
can walk right at
Bam!
Yeah. Eh?
Oh shit.
Girl, nice like rice.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
May I carry it?
Perfect. Perfect.
Last time I came here, we could have come through. There was no gate right there. That was years ago though. Yeah, there was no gate. We could have come through and park right or so. I don't know why I'm wasting time polish my total team. Everything is my job. It's not obvious. You love my vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are shooting with Daunzri. Alright, this is Camille, owner of Daunzri. All her info will be in the description bar below. Do you guys remember that last vlog where I went to Ochi and I had on this swimsuit? I'm telling this to Mega reach out to her and tell her if I could collaborate. This is how the top half looks. I feel like I should do a lookbook for her. So what I'm gonna do is Mega reach out to her and tell her I want to do a lookbook for her, because that would have been really, really dope. That's what's happening right now, okay? So today we are at Colbeck Castle, right? And we're gonna be shooting with
Thai images.
Thai images. Yeah, guys, so that's what we're doing today. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. One day vlog, when I know the thing already. I had done my nails like short and my toes, but them smudged because everything was just so from me last minute. So yeah, this should be fun. Yo, this place is majestic. It just looks fake, like somebody just take it and put it down right so. When did they put this here? What is supposed to be like a maintenance house? That. A long time when I come up here then, you know? That's crazy.
The mother joking.
Changing room setup. Wanna make sure no ants over there, that's all me I say. When I able.
Ants dry away then.
Oh, damn it!
I am allergic to ants. So when they bite me,
Swell.
yes, me have to drink.
Yeah.
Yes, when me.
That's a me a mosquito.
Yes, stay far from them. Mosquito do that to me too.
Hate it.
And then they sneeze me.
You should. Yeah, definitely. And if you can get somebody overseas to create a channel for you so it has a US IP address, all the better. Only problem is, as of December, we're gonna stop getting paid via Western Union because them said the business will do no more. So we better have a US bank account.
Oh, I do.
So, yeah, struggle of life. And when you already go for your money at Western Union, they're like, what do you mean? Who's sending the money? Google. Google? Like google.com? They say, yeah, so why Google is sending money? I'm like, I'm a YouTuber. I make YouTube videos every day. I when I go to the same person, you know? Straight. Right? Yeah.
Anyway, me dem a paranoid. One night, yeah, me nearly killed the pizza kid. Never done, me know you laugh a while ago, cause you know the shooter thing go. Father God just take me sin now, so them a go kill me, and them get it first. Yeah. Damn until death, everybody know. Father God guide and protect me on the street, cause me ever have a Glock when me travel road. Pain and prayer. Yeah. Them say we can't do it, see it happen. Turn up my voice, now the speaker grim. R.I.P. to my sweeper, them. One day in heaven we are gonna meet again. R.I.P. Yeah. I carry them go and talk to you, there you see it. Real life thing I did. Live life like a monster. Can't run from karma. That's sudden and post R.I.P. for your contact. Them see me and hear so they done job. Father God when me call beg your answer. Man want buy mommy one mansion. Every damn in and for your drive one fat van. Hardball out that sound. Still I roll with the clock though, with no job yard. So go make it up snow so you talk to it. Me run up in a Babylon pon the damn road. Make them know life no sell a bash go. Hey, we a start the cash make it flow. Song them a rinse like any damn clothes. Link them heavy dominant know. So we think well wild and savage night road. Hey. Yo, grab it on cool. Loyalty, that a dominant code. Watch him sit down with him head in iPhone. And the money just run slap on and I'm don't forgive me. Father God, cause you know say I sin this. But you know so the past life and the history. Yo, my brother them gone and my born a system. Yeah, my born a system. Where them about all you do celebrate victory. We do them know they prefer them plan up and kill we. That's why when me in a jail, the tires step on me like me kidney. Who don't know already bogus on my district. The amount of people down there, them style we has misfit. But in farmer, they everywhere you go dog. But no matter how them fight the thing, just keep trying. Fly man up fly, I know me reach for it. Hardball anyway, me dem a paranoid. One night, yeah, me nearly killed the pizza kid. Never done, me know you laugh a while ago, cause you know the shooter thing go. Father God just take me sin now, so them a go kill me, and them get it first. Yeah. Damn until death, everybody.
Sorry for blocking you guys.
Father God guide and protect me on the street, cause me ever have a Glock when me travel road.
Ready?
Dominant, forever.
Next place.
Next outfit.
That.
Next outfit.
Listen, you hate the reflector.
I don't think you
My nigga Jabby stupid for this one, you know what I mean?
You know what you know.
Yo, Chrome, the one that gone, you know.
I don't think
You know she boy the chrome, you know what I'm saying? Skitty. Jump off for the deep end, yo we lit up for the weekend. Me and Puerto Ricans, hit your block up, put the heat in. Dreaming, never sleeping, leave that shit for the weekend. Shorty love me like the weed man, she eat eggplant so she's vegan. Yo Jada, hit me up for the feature man, I got that body. Tiptoe coming over my house and don't tell nobody. Javi got a pound of the ice cream rolling in the lobby. And we never sorry, we smoke weed like the Marleys. I know you really wanna, I know you really got to. But please don't, but please don't.
I dig wrong, me go dig up, me gun, me go lift up. No see boy get shake it, run fi go chip up. No thump me no piss up, and slug them and pick up. This and the dog them, hunters are vicious. Hungry no flip up, me gun never stick up. Brain a take off like the drone, them a lift up. 9 bands I connect like the more them a pick up. Killer them ready for me, show them a picture. From people fi dead, do not know no issue. Big 4-4 just a sew and a stitch up. Everybody knows say me bad with the flow. Cool when me step down sun in a snow. Any pussy feel like a comedy show. Full them up a car like one of me tour. Them girlfriend a stalk every one of me show. Couple bad dog and the Glock on me toe.
I know you really wanna, I know you really got to. But please don't, but please don't. Just let me, give me no reason to come cut you up like seasoning. Call me your Jesus, I give you something to believe in. Rebuking them demons with a full clip on the weekend. My circle's full of OGs, yeah, weird niggas don't creep in. I had to work for it, no handouts. Good work always stand out. Each of the words that's coming from their mouth is not all that hate coming out. Even though we got love in the south, Shorty said she wanna put it in her mouth. Shorty wanna be my love for life. Sad thing, I don't want it twice. I know you really wanna. I know you really got stuff. But please don't, no please don't. Just let me.
Where did we read the sign? Out of the front?
No man, sit over there. Over there.
Oh.
So there's one there and there's one.
So where you there?
Just over the corner there.
Yeah, the corner, right at the corner. Yeah.
Just brace your back on the wall.
Okay guys, another look. Not really getting to check in that much because we just want to run through them really quickly so we can hurry up and go home. Because curfew at 3 o'clock today. Yeah, I'm kind of mad. Right. Alright. What am I do with this? Alright. So this is the cover up and this is the swimsuit. Of course you guys will be seeing the pictures. I feel like right after this I'm gonna do a I should have just do the haul now, you know? That I should have done, you know? Foolishness, not for money. No, because I'm supposed to do a try-on haul type video. For this, for them here. I should have just do it same time.
Well, you get.
Yeah, you know? But anyways, I'll do it in my room, no big deal. But yeah. How much time left on that cam?
9 minutes.
9 minutes.
Stockish.
Yeah, I like that. That whole angular hold.
You should just say hold it. Cause
That too.
yeah, you know.
Closer to her.
She has to take off her, she not take off her slippers.
Right, you know.
You not fit.
But at the same time I don't want it to look too slippery.
You can't take it off then. That's why I made just say because it juky bad. The grass them juk.
Oh shit.
There's a hole there.
Yeah. So I can't go back too far.
Yeah, stand back.
Come forward. Perfect. Hold it. Hehe. See? So move.
Holding it is very hard.
Bring it down a little. Bring in that hand a bit. The other one. Yeah.
Is the cover up showing that much, huh?
Kidding.
The hair cover up
The nappy.
one. No, not that.
This
one,
right here?
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, give it. Nice. Bunk.
Some put it.
Can And she just fling it over her shoulder?
Like, no, she can just hold it like so. Because when it's over her shoulder, the logo, yeah, the logo turn to the side. So she can just hold it like, literally do this. Like this. Kind of stretch. I'm not interested in this show.
You can go back on it?
Yeah, but okay. We can.
You see if I want it.
We can. Maybe we can go and look at some. Yo, when I was going to high school, I was this snack, you know.
I swear.
I have to buy a digestive every day.
Okay, guys. One of the Kieran and two are because we did want it to be cute and playful. I don't know. It's kind of give me a vibe. Let's see the string thing.
Oh, this one first.
Shit.
Some people that come over.
I never know. I discovered this today. I never know. But I wouldn't.
I come over here regular.
Well, that's different because you come for work, you know me? Like, of all places. Yeah. I like people like that. Very, very extra. Yeah.
About me top yet, girl. Go come, me want a video about me too. Set. Oh my god. Boy, this on tired. You're tired? Yeah. Alright. Like we set the pose. So I think the same.
That is good. That is good.
Yes,
that is good.
So but go over some more.
And then you can try some other stuff.
So don't just
flow.
But this is the start.
Alright guys, we have 30 seconds worth of smoke, about 30 seconds, right?
It's 30
So you can change.
Ready?
I think you might have listening. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are leaving location. It is so freaking gorgeous. Like, it almost didn't even look like it real. That's crazy. It looked like somebody just dropped it right this wall. There were a couple other people coming and, you know, taking pictures. You know, families and people come for like birthday and them something there. My hand's gonna be shaking a bit. I had to borrow the photographer's phone to take this clip because I never realized my battery dog did. I think the data sucked my battery life, but yeah, earrings, natural glam things. I didn't get to do all of these chimes while we were working because we're trying to work with curfew hours. Remember, today is Heroes Day, right? So it's a public holiday. Because of that, the curfew is 3 o'clock. So we're trying not to breach curfew. We had a late start because of me, but you know, we pulled through. Today was a good day. I wasn't feeling so great in the morning, but the shoot definitely lifted my spirits. Like, we creatives need to stick together, okay? Because trust me, like, the vibe, the energy, always so great. But yeah, I got through the gate. This place is majestic, I swear. But anyways, I don't know what else we're gonna be doing. Probably getting food, but because I don't have a phone, I think you guys might just see the end of this vlog here. I'm gonna be attaching pictures and all them good something there, so you guys can check those out on my Instagram. So be sure to follow me at NaturallyMsToya on everything. Yeah, right, so get bad, you know. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh, okay. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna be making another clip before I get home. So if not, I guess this is where this vlog ends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and also to drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Bye.